Oh my god, coffee. Okay, today we're playing an anomaly game. So we need to survive until 6 p.m. Also, we need to find an anomaly so that we don't die, I think. So yeah, we are at a library right now and I have no idea.
Drywall.
Okay, so we need to memorize everything.
Not yet.
Yeah, that was an accident. So do you, guys, remember everything, okay?
I remember these two chairs.
Okay, now remember these.
I remember these two lights.
And then remember this.
I'm going to remember the pillow.
Yeah, you guys need to remember everything. There might be a sleep paralysis demon, somebody sleeping in their bed or something.
I'm gonna remember that.
Remember these. Remember, when it's one, something gets to be off, and then number two, something gets more off. So y'all need to understand, okay? Do you understand, Coffee?
It's still not yet.
Are you? Do you understand, Coffee?
Flower.
What are you saying? All right, so
Saying it.
okay. So let's just keep doing this. Satisfying.
Light open.
Look, guys, there's somebody sleeping in the bed.
It's an anomaly.
It's a nominee. Anomaly. Guys, also this thing, when it's red, there's something in here. So watch that, okay? Tell me if there's something. Tell me if there's red, okay?
Okay.
Y'all have.
I eat red.
Oh my god. Coffee, stop.
Okay.
They don't understand you.
I'm watching.
No,
No.
nothing, bakalaka, nothing.
It's not
Nothing, bakalati, nothing. Okay.
I'm watching both the time and
We
and the
chose?
green. Yes. I'm both watching.
Do you even want to help, Copy?
I see red
Where?
in my head.
Bro, stupid.
Oh, red.
Okay.
Something here.
Something here. Something.
Lights.
Wait, maybe it's this?
No, it's not.
Oh, shucks.
Oh no.
Not good.
Oh no.
This? You mean this?
We don't know.
Y'all.
No.
No, we're gonna lose.
Oh wait.
It's all red.
Oh blue. No blue here.
No, it's supposed
It's always there.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Tell me if you saw.
Oh, that's the one.
It's a fake one. Yes!
Those are
green.
Those are yummy.
Greeny green.
I am the monster in your bed that eats socks.
You mean this? Which is nothing.
No.
Don't ask me who that was. It sucks.
There's no socks there. Keep an eye on this one.
Maybe there's like someone gonna pop up here, or there's someone there.
Yeah.
Or there's probably a sleep paralysis demon here.
No. I eat the sleep paralysis. How dare you?
Honestly, it's not a problem for bro.
It's not even red yet. My mom by the
You just need to look out.
No. My mom by the already
TV.
won.
It's fine. You just remember to.
Ooh, open?
No, it was always open. Coffee, why? Something is wrong. Oh, TV on? Yeah, TV. Look.
Oh my god.
It's friend.
I'm
boy.
scared.
Yeah, it's friend.
I'm scared.
It's friend.
I'm scared.
His name is Fred. Yeah, his name is Fred.
Scared. No, his name is Freddy.
What?
His name is Freddy. Or.
Y'all, just remember to watch this, okay? If it's red, just tell me. I'm just looking out.
Looking at both the time and the green stuff. Me will see green or red.
What do you mean?
Still one.
It's probably the camera. Probably the camera. Oh my god.
It's not red yet.
Yeah. It's gonna be too soon. We might actually do this in first try.
Yay.
This will be like not
What
that long.
game? What's? Oh, it's red. It's red. It's red.
Wait. Tell me.
Oh no! I saw a foot. I saw a foot.
Not a foot. That's not a foot.
I see it. I see it. There.
Where?
Look under.
Thing. Now where is it?
If you don't believe me, check it out. Check that out. Oh crap.
Wait. My god, this is getting hard. Look.
Oh,
not-
me see foot. Bro,
I told you
I swear it was not there.
Wait. What?
Wait. What's this?
It's the shadow. We're gonna die.
Oh,
Not good.
I get jump scared. We're not good.
No.
Nothing.
What if door open? The door was always open. Oh. Oh no. Where was it? Down there? No, it was always there, see? Right, guys, now remember everything, okay?
Yeah.
Remember everything.
I'm trying.
Remember your brain. Remember your life.
Hey! What are the
What?
picture? Picture.
How?
I say picture room. So to see.
You can probably use your phone.
Mine.
Now take a picture of the kids' room.
Just wait. Just let me take a picture. Yeah.
Okay. Picture. Good. Okay.
It's already.
Okay. Now tell me, Natalie. Now tell me if this is red. Okay.
Me smart? Red.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
See it?
Go back to this room. Check everything.
It's fine. Fine. Oh, here.
There. Yay!
It's probably the same every time.
Me smart?
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought something sus was weird. I thought there was something sus. No sus. Can spawn too?
What?
Can spawn too anomaly?
Yes.
Wow.
Whenever we
Okay,
see
kids room. I mean the kids room. Okay. I eat your phone. Bro, you didn't.
See you at the next video because we need to go back to our classroom. So see you next video. Bye guys. Bye.